we're Punjabis, so
It goes without saying.
yeah. So our first meeting includes, sitting,
Yeah.
playing cards, drinking.
Tash.
Yeah.
Have you ever come across alpha men in your life?
My father. Delhi में ना we come from entitlement. कि हाँ भाई कौन फालतू बोल रहा है?
Yeah.
हाँ क्या मुझसे. So there's a certain sense of entitlement in the air. कि बाप का शहर है पूरा. हाँ जैसे.
मैं बाप को जानती हूँ.
Exactly. Again मेरे को लगता है Delhi boys में stereotype है कि
हाँ ना.
हम बड़े से gentle कह रहे हैं.
है ना. Rocky Randhawa की तरह. But why finance?
Okay, so my main business is in finance. I've been working as a retail individual investor in the US stock market
Wow.
for the past 6 years now. I did not have a working visa ever. I was there on business visa. तो मैं कहा हाँ है. कह रहे कहाँ है? मैं कहा
ये confidence.
delusion भाई दिल्ली. दे दूँगा.
I love how he said delusion, bhai, Delhi.
हाँ. But I love the backside of Kapil Sharma.
Yeah.
Like as in, I don't know how that came. but
Yeah.
Like how when so. मतलब the backstory. Sorry. English honors करी मैंने ये नहीं बोल पा रहा मैं बताऊँ. Okay, so there was this book that is from I think Austin Kleon, Steal Like an Artist, black colored small book. उसमें था that angels talk to a man when he walks.
So you walk?
Yeah, I go for a walk. Unpopular opinion, I do not believe that men and women are equal. Very controversial, very... Oh!
The internet usually rewards loud opinions and alpha energy, but our creator today, he's chosen humor, empathy and emotional intelligence, and he somehow made that go viral also. Hi, I'm Sonal, and today we are going off script with the creator who's made men written by women, an internet genre. Hi Naman, how are you?
Hi, I'm amazing. How are
Naman
you?
Kapoor in the house, guys.
Thank you so
I'm gonna
much.
talk to this man written by a woman
Oh,
today.
beautiful.
Who has written you?
A lot of... yeah, but a lot of women.
Yeah?
My mother, my
Yeah.
sisters.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard that men who grow up with sisters, they really turn out different.
Yeah.
You believe in it?
100%. 100%. I have like 4 or 5 sisters around
Cousins,
me.
you
Yeah,
mean.
cousins and all.
And they have all shaped you.
100%.
Who's contributed the most? Which one?
I think my real sister,
Yeah?
Jia,
How?
why she always, like pinpoints everything that I'm doing wrong. But yeah, this is so toxic. Oh my god, I can't say. This is so red
Is she
flag.
Gen Z?
Oh, she's pure Gen Z. She's like the Gen Ziest of
Oh
Gen
my
Z.
god. So then nice, then you're keeping in touch with the new age
Yeah, 100%.
phenomena
She's
also.
like that Instagram baddie now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So do you ever, when you're scripting your men written by women reels, content, do you ever take opinions from
No, not from Jia.
No?
Like, I hope she doesn't have dating experience. Yeah, I'm a little... She's like my chota bachcha. She's in
Yeah.
12th right now.
What age is correct for her to date?
There's no correct age. Whenever she feels right. There is
Yeah.
no correct age
But
at
when
all.
would the bhaiya in you be okay about it?
I think I've always been okay with it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think she was in like what? She was pretty young when she told me that she likes a guy. And again, it comes natural,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I can't be like, oh my god.
Yeah, no, then she'll never come and tell you.
Exactly. Because I was doing the same thing when I was her age.
Yeah,
like
so
कि-
yeah, ये तो होता है,
natural.
बनता है.
So yeah.
And like she should hold off until she finds the kind of man you're
yeah.
writing in your.
So there is no right age to dating, guys.
Yeah, just find the right man.
Have you?
वही मैं पूछने वाली थी, कब गुरुकुल शुरू कर रहे हो, कब तुम्हारे गुरुकुल में आएंगे लड़के, और
ठीक है।
आप सिंगल हो? कितने सारे लोग ऐसे जानना चाहते होंगे ना, सबको ऐसा लगा अरे अभी पता चलेगा, अभी ना पता है.
Nice.
But where is the inspiration for all of this content coming from?
Right now it's coming naturally to
Yeah?
me. Yeah.
How, like किसी का तो experience सुन के ऐसा लगा होगा ना, do any of your like female friends they come and tell you कि नमन यार, guys these days, what to do?
100%. So I don't know. I've also like heard and watched content that female best friends are very toxic. Like it's a red flag. I'm sorry, but I have female best friends.
Yeah.
Again, I'm surrounded by women.
Yeah.
So my best friend Manya, my best friend Umang,
Yeah.
they all live very far away. like.
But you all are like close knit.
Yeah, they are my school friends.
Yeah.
So like, Manya lives in Delhi
Yeah.
because I'm from Delhi. Umang lives in Canada.
Yeah.
So I keep talking to them and I keep listening to all the dating
So सारी
stories.
global dating stories पता चल रही
Yeah,
होगी.
yeah. How people on dating profiles,
Yeah.
you know, behave.
Yeah, and sometimes they're fake also.
Yeah, it's very scary, bhai.
It is.
Manya has had weird experiences.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I've never experienced it, but I've heard a lot of it. And
You've never experienced
no,
dating?
no, I've never experienced being lied to or being on
Oh,
a dating
okay,
app.
okay, okay.
So,
Oh, you've never been on a dating
no.
app? Oh, wow.
So I don't know what it is like and how are people lying on it. Ek to, first of all, I tried once and the questionnaire is too lengthy.
Ooh,
It
yeah,
started
yeah, yeah.
testing my
For
patience
some,
and I was
yes.
like, I don't want to do this anymore. Then a friend gave me BT. He's like, तू ये नहीं करेगी तो लड़का कैसे मिलेगा? Then I'm like, bro, ये कैसा prerequisite है? ये form भरना पड़ेगा? Have you ever filled that form?
Yes.
And then have you written those ऐसे cringy ऐसे कुछ ऐसे poem लिख देते? लड़के तो लिखते नहीं है खैर. Or do men written by women write?
I don't know. So like I like to do it my way, whatever comes
Yeah,
naturally to me.
yeah.
But I've honestly, when I was not a creator,
Yeah.
I was there on dating profiles. But now I do that for like content and all.
Yeah.
So like I screen record it, and you know, like when I'm scripting,
Yeah.
I make sure that I'm making a profile and I'm talking to someone. It just hypes up my energy.
Yeah, and it makes it look very real also.
Exactly.
Very much more relatable
Yes.
that way, right?
Yes.
So when did content creation start and when did you figure that yeah, men written by women is gonna be my niche?
Okay, so content creation started off pretty early.
Yeah.
Like it started off in 2022. So it's
Wow.
been 4
3
years.
years, yeah, three
So it's
good
been 3 consistent years.
Yeah.
And it's like the journey is amazing. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. And men written by women, yeah, again, yeah. I was basically writing a script and I was like, there should something be very Lana Del Rey coded.
Ah.
I love listening to Lana.
Oh wow.
So there should be something, saying, you know, Lana Del Rey coded, something
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah,
she
some-
preaches and all.
Yes.
So that
you,
is
you wanted to get that out, that flavor
yeah.
out in your content.
So Lana Del Rey coded
Yeah.
ऐसा होना था ना, and there's this one song, Diamond Dew.
Yeah, I think I've heard it,
yeah.
but I'm bad at remembering the titles of songs.
Same, exactly.
गाना सुना होगा but नाम नहीं याद.
हाँ. तो मेरे Men Written by Women IP के हर वीडियो पे वही गाना है. It's like Diamond Dew, baby, New York City.
Yeah. ओह ये मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया कि सब पे मैं इतना मग्न थी कंटेंट में और ये मैन कर क्या रहा है इसमें मैंने गाने पे ध्यान ही नहीं दिया बताओ
वाह वाह जी वाह.
फिर मैं जाके नोटिस करूंगी ना this is what he's talking about.
Yeah.
But then when you made the first reel and because you've also tried humor, which is more nerve-wracking, posting something that is that touches upon like the emotional intelligence part or something that touches upon humor?
Whatever works.
Yeah.
Whatever.
When
fetches.
did you figure what is working for you?
Yeah, very hit and trial.
Yeah.
If I'm being honest, content is extremely hit and trial.
Even till date, you
yeah,
feel it
yeah,
is?
yeah, yeah. No one knows anything. Even people who are at the top of their game, like the Logan Paul,
Yeah.
and people like acing in India, like Ashish, Ashish Chanchalani.
Yeah.
Everyone is just hitting and trying their best. Because the world keeps changing.
The world छोड़ो, internet तो is changing every day. Fast fashion छोड़ो, हम fast emotion पर आ गए.
हाँ, पहले कंटेंट ऐसे क्रिंज चलता था, फिर ऐसे प्रीमियम चलने लगा. अब मैं देख रहा हूँ वापस बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंड आ रहा है हैंडहेल्ड वीडियोस का.
Yeah.
लोग ऐसे ऐसे करके या लाइक लेजिट यहाँ पे रख के वीडियोस बना रहे हैं और इट्स वर्किंग रियली वेल.
Only a content creator can tell you these are the trends. हम तो बस देख रहे हैं.
You see a pattern, no?
ये पैटर्न कभी I don't think anyone watching me have ever noticed that pattern ऐसे change हो रहा है. Maybe because you are seeing, because you want to be with the times.
Yes.
You're noticing what's
Yes,
working,
yes, yes,
right?
yes,
That
yes.
is the extra attention that you're paying is because of that.
100%.
हम तो बस कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, कंटेंट में कौन है वो देख रहे हैं, वो कह क्या रहे हैं वही देख रहे हैं, गाना भी नहीं सुन रहे हैं हम तो.
वाह, इतनी तारीफ हो रही है मेरी आज.
But I mean, Men Written by Women has been an internet phenomena for a long time. You took and made content out of it and it started working well. And now you have become known also for like the man who is
Yeah,
who's
being
teaching
written
like
by-
the
yeah.
Desi man, Indian man. Ki only alpha is not the option. Have you ever come across alpha men in your life?
My father.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what does he say when he sees your content?
Okay, so now because I'm there and you know, like now he's my best friend. Like now times have changed.
Yeah.
My relationship with him has changed.
Yeah.
So now he understands.
Yeah.
And now he himself is a little pooky now.
Yeah?
Yeah, because Gia has a very strong influence in our house. So she's like, no, Papa, you cannot say that. ऐसे नहीं बोलते लड़कियों के बारे में. And again, he comes from a, like he comes from a certain sense of background. तो उनकी upbringing में होता है कि अगर वो ऐसे derogatory jokes करेंगे तो लोग हंसेंगे.
Yeah, and it was okay.
It was okay. It was like, it was actually praised कि हाँ, good one.
Yeah.
So, but every time now he, tries to even get a laugh out of it. We're like,
Gia's there.
we all.
Daughters have a way with their father.
100%. And now because I'm here in Bombay,
Yeah.
so there are like what, 3 daughters now.
Yeah.
Gia, Shnaya and Ishanvi. So everyone's like, no, you can't say that. Oh my God. And then Mama, Chachi and Papa and Chachu are like, acha, theek hai, sorry.
And how's Mama and Chachi dealing with this change? Because they're seeing it happen for the good. Like, I mean, at the time they could only hope for something, or maybe not even hope because they wouldn't know a world like this can, exist. How are they liking this change? And how are they liking, first of all, their son doing this?
Oh, I get a lot of praises
Yeah.
there. Like whenever I go
Yeah.
to Delhi, I hope I'm their favorite.
Oh.
But yeah, they all pamper me a lot. They all say, sorry. Yeah, they all. Let me keep it. They all pamper me, and Chachi loves me, and you're like, Naman, your wife would be so lucky.
Aw.
I'm like, I hope. So I recently made them meet the girl that I'm dating,
Yeah.
and they all were so happy. We
Oh,
sat
sweet.
down, we drank. All we're Punjabis, so.
It goes without saying.
Yeah. So our first meeting includes, sitting,
Yeah.
playing cards, drinking.
Tash.
Yes.
A round of Tash has to happen.
Yeah, and then like betting 20-30 rupees on
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
and we all were like a big family. So yeah.
And what was the touch
Yeah,
wood.
touch wood.
What was the review that your girlfriend had to give to your family? Is he like he shows he is in the reels? Is he the same in real life?
I hope so. I hope baby you're watching.
Has she ever said it to you?
Yeah,
कि यार तुम्हारे रील में तो तुम ये सब करते हो, रियल लाइफ में तो किया नहीं.
नहीं. So whenever ऐसे she reads all the comments that Naman is AI generated,
Yeah.
So she's like तुम्हारे सब के लिए होगा AI, मैं तो real life में देख रही हूँ. So she keeps recording so she's not from content. Yeah. So she keeps recording videos.
Of you doing those things in real life.
So there was this one time we were going somewhere and I picked up her bag.
Oh.
And I was like, because of
Yeah,
course
let
it
me-
was
yeah.
a heavy bag. So I picked up her bag and I was walking and talking to a friend of mine. And पीछे ना वो मेरी ऐसे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही है. I'm like वैसे दिखा and उसने मुझे WhatsApp करी वो कि you are not AI.
Aww.
I'm like okay.
How sweet of her to read those comments and then also comment. There is some recollection that's happening of those comments.
Yeah, very sweet.
So you've also recently made a reel about adulting, right? When did adulting hit you?
Ooh, adulting when I moved to Bombay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh भाई दिल्ली में so you've met Delhi people?
I have, yeah.
Delhi people. दिल्ली में ना we come from entitlement. कि हाँ भाई कौन फालतू बोल रहा है?
Yeah.
हाँ क्या मुझसे. So there's a certain sense of entitlement in the air. कि बाप का शहर है पूरा. हाँ जैसे
मैं बाप को जानता भी नहीं.
Exactly. सीधे मौत. You listen to सीधे मौत?
No.
You should.
I will.
Yeah.
Now that I like being introduced to stuff.
Oh, please listen to
I
सीधे
will.
मौत. You will go crazy over the songs.
What do you love about it?
The rap, the pen game,
Yeah.
it's so strong.
The
Whatever they
lyric.
write, it's so
Wow.
deep.
Lovely.
तो उसमें वो एक line.
देखेंगे अभी.
हाँ.
इसके बाद
Done. Please
कॉफी
listen
आने
to.
तक.
Coffee आने तक you listen to सीधे मौत. भाई काम भाई अगर आप देख रहे हो तो new fan.
Yes, new fan in the house. बैठे बना लिया. Yeah, you were saying तो दिल्ली में entitlement and then when you
हाँ.
came to Mumbai.
मुंबई में तो everyone's so कि
आइए.
yeah, you don't know who's who.
Yeah.
And again सीधे मौत की वो एक लाइन थी
Yeah.
कि हाँ मेरे सर पे ताज है, हाँ मेरे बाप का राज है. तो हाँ है, मतलब दिल्ली में you come from that
Your mindset, yeah.
And now you're like searching for autos and cabs.
And then you are facing rejection a lot more on a regular basis because ऑटो वाले तुम्हें जहाँ जाना है वहाँ जाएंगे ही नहीं.
Yeah.
वो वही जाएंगे वहाँ उन्हें जाना है. How many times do you get rejection from autos?
I think third time's the charm.
Oh,
So
third
every
time's
third time I get an auto. Third time's the charm.
Or bhai, people will think, why do you want to take an auto? But sometimes auto is just more convenient than waiting for a cab.
मैं आज इसीलिए लेट हुआ बिकॉज मुझे कैब में आना था बिकॉज आराम से बैठ के आना था, बस वर्किंग ऑन अ स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ
Yeah.
माइन. सो और मेरा फ्रेंड ईशान दुग्गल, माय बडी, माय
Yeah, of course
फ्लैटमेट,
we know, yeah.
सो वो ऑटो से पहुंच भी गया लोखंड वाला, एंड उसको कॉल आया और मेरे साथ ही निकला था वो. उसने कहा कहाँ है, मैं कहा वो मेरी कैब आ रही है 2 मिनट में बस. कह रहा वो बोल रहा था ना ऑटो से चल ले, मैं कहा वो मुंह गंदा हो
रिक्शा
जाता
से
है.
जल्दी पहुंच जाती है जहाँ भी जाना है वहाँ पे.
बट पूरा मुंह गंदा हो जाता है भाई.
ट्रू और अभी तो गर्मी भी हो गई है मुंबई में. चालू हो गई गर्मी. How do you like Bombay heat?
आई लव इट.
You love Bombay heat?
भाई दिल्ली, आई कम फ्रॉम दिल्ली.
हाँ.
दिल्ली
At
का
least you can breathe.
देखो जैसा भी है हमारा है. पसंद बहुत है हमें.
Yes, yes.
अगर आप दिल्ली से हो तो आप गालियां दे
Yeah.
सकते हो, बट दिल्ली के बाहर वाले थोड़ी सी बोलेंगे यार वैसे मतलब. बट
yeah.
यार दिल्ली इज लव, बट
मैं
अगेन
गाली दूंगी मुंबई की बारिश को. बॉम्बे मॉनसून क्या होते हैं भाई, घर पे बैठ के एंजॉय करो, बाहर नहीं निकलना.
मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अभी एक्सपीरियंस करी थी.
कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस?
मेरे को ऐसा लगता मैं जेल में हूँ. मैं बाहर ही नहीं निकल पा रहा था.
अच्छी बात है, बाहर निकलते तो यू वुड हैव रिग्रेटेड स्टेपिंग आउट.
या ऑफ कोर्स.
तो you got to actually enjoy Mumbai rains because that is how you enjoy Mumbai rains.
बट घर में
Staying
बैठे
indoors.
बैठे ऐसे हो जाता है ना इंसान की कितना.
I challenge you. आने वाले मॉनसून में एटलीस्ट 1 हफ्ता रोज बाहर जाओ और देखो, तुम भगवान का शुक्र मनाओगे कि बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता है. ये जो लोग को ऑफिस के लिए जाना पड़ता है, दे कैन वर्क फ्रॉम होम एटलीस्ट मिल जाए तो खुशी हो जाती है. इतने पानी में निकल जाते हैं, आधे रास्ते जाने के बाद पता चलता है ऑफिस आना जरूरी नहीं है, फिर वो वापस जाते हैं.
ऊपर से मैं पिछली बारिशों में सिंगल भी था, सो ये वाली फन होंगी. ये वाली फन होंगी.
Yeah, but Mumbai and adulting can be a difficult combination.
Yeah man, the locals.
Have you ever taken
yeah.
locals?
Yeah, most of the time.
Peak hours के time?
No,
Thank God.
no.
बच गए.
I've heard the stories.
तो फिर तो आपने मुंबई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया.
अरे तो मैं ऐसे क्या दादर वाली में बैठ जाऊँ ऐसे कि भैया मेरे को सिर्फ लाइव एक्सपीरियंस करनी
एटलीस्ट
है.
दादर वाली बोला, विरार वाली तो बोला भी नहीं.
अच्छा, वो ज्यादा वर्स है.
वर्सेस सेंट्रल.
अच्छा भाई हम राजीव चौक
उस
से
तरफ
निकल के
आपको
आते
जाना ही नहीं है. बट आई थिंक किसी दिन जस्ट फॉर द हेक ऑफ इट टू एक्सपीरियंस. सो व्हेन यू से दैट यस आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड मुंबई एक्सपीरियंस किया है, दैट विल बी द रियल एक्सपीरियंस.
ठीक है.
मुंबई लोकल्स, मुंबई मॉनसून, ये सिर्फ रोमांटिसाइज्ड वर्जन देखने में मजा नहीं है. बाहर जाके एंजॉय करो तब पता चलेगा ये क्या है. वैसे आपके स्क्रिप्ट्स लिख कौन रहा है? जस्ट ऑल बाय योरसेल्फ?
हमें
बट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मेघा आल्सो. शी स्टार्स इन इट. बट
please do. Just a
But
sec.
you-
Let me put it on airplane. Yeah.
But you are writing the scripts.
No. So if Megha is uploading the video,
Yeah.
she writes the script.
Yeah.
And if I'm uploading the video, I write
You
it.
write
And then we collaborate.
How did you all come together? How did you meet each other? And how did this chemistry blossom? Because comments में ये भी लिखा होता है कि यार डेट कर लो.
Yeah.
तो
Yeah, she's a beautiful person, man.
She is.
She's beautiful.
very convincing acting, I must say.
Yeah. Very convincing. Again, we also did like this acting workshop together.
Yeah.
So
That's how you met?
no, so we met in Delhi only.
Yeah.
We have the same manager. So
Ah.
Pratik bhai, plugging. So he's my John. So yeah,
He's
Pratik.
making things happen for you behind this.
100%. He's the backbone of everything. So Pratik bhai and Megha, like we both have the same. We share the same
Yeah.
manager. So Pratik bhai से ही ऐसे events में मिल गए Megha के साथ.
Yeah.
And then she told me that she's also shifting to Bombay.
Yeah.
And
Oh, yeah.
like coincidentally, she was shifting right in front of my building.
Wow.
Yeah.
Destiny brought that.
And we और शिफ्ट कर दो आप. सही है.
Comments तो यही आएंगे.
भाई वो उसने परसों एक स्टोरी डाली कि मुझे ना अभी तक फ्लावर्स नहीं मिले फ्लावर्स डे.
They started tagging you.
They started sending me that story and they're like legit abusing me कि शर्म नहीं आ रही उसको फ्लावर्स नहीं मिले ऐसे कैसे. और मैं ठीक है सॉरी.
But y'all don't want to address it also, no, on your content that y'all are not dating.
Keep imagining like.
Yeah, I mean it's fun to actually.
Or are we?
But you just told us that she's not from content.
You don't know.
But you said she's not from content. You said they will have.
Oh, you don't have a lie detector test here.
Okay, guys, we might never know.
Yeah, just keep guessing.
भाभी जी आप देख रहे हो, बता नहीं रहे. देख ली.
Maybe you're watching, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
बेबी जी प्लीज
बेबी जी
घर पे आएंगे तब खबर लेना बॉम्बे मॉनसून के बहुत होप्स हैं दिखा देना well you've also I really wanted to ask you this because I'm a Swiftie, and then in one of your reels, you use that line. She's a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
Yeah.
Are you a Swiftie?
Yes, my
Yes?
younger sister is.
Oh,
I am.
Jia का बहुत ज़्यादा influence.
Ishanvi is.
Ishanvi,
Yeah,
not Jia.
Jia is more into Punjabi. She's this की वो पंजाबी गाने पहले सुन के मुझे बताती है कि नया गाना आया है. Ishanvi is pure Swiftie.
Wow. I would totally have a gala time with Ishanvi.
yeah.
But then she's made you a Swiftie. Which is your favorite Taylor Swift song?
She keeps again. I don't remember
The names.
the names.
But do you know what song this lyric is from?
यही ना.
Tell me when it's over. If the high was worth the pain. It's from Blank Space.
Blind space. Sorry, Ishanvi.
देखो ईशानी भैया क्या कर रहे हैं.
सिखाई नहीं रहा.
नाम खराब कर दिया आपका.
वही तो.
पकड़ के बाद में
Yeah, but now I'm listening to Billie Eilish more.
Yeah? तो उसके भी लिरिक्स हमें सुनने मिलने वाले.
मुझे उसके टाइटल्स भी याद है.
तो real fandom is happening over here.
Yeah, Billie, because again the girl that I'm seeing,
Yeah, she is a fan.
she is a huge Billie Eilish fan. So yeah.
Influence हो जाते हैं.
अरे तो वो Alexa में वही बजता रहता है पूरे टाइम.
What is your favorite genre in music?
भाई बहुत अलग है.
Mix of
बहुत.
mood पे depend.
Like Atif Aslam to Jagjit Singh to Seedhe Moore to Eminem to J Cole.
मूड पे डिपेंड करता
हाँ exactly.
है. जब जो मूड होगा वो ही गाना बजेगा. There is no loyalty here.
Yeah, only in music.
Only.
Only in music, guys.
Yeah, man. Man written by a woman, guys.
Yeah. नहीं वैसे भी guys don't cheat.
Cheating is so yesterday.
It was not even yesterday.
It
Please
should not
don't.
have been, but it was yesterday.
Yeah.
It is not today, and
Yeah.
it shall not be tomorrow.
Yes.
Because Naman is gonna start his Gurukul that we were talking about. What about that, Naman?
Yeah, she just pitched me the idea, like if we can fetch numbers. So, yeah.
आप घोषित तो कर दो कितनी लड़कियां अपने बंदों को भेजेगी देखना. एक के ड्रामा है और उसके बाद एक नमन है.
Oh, इतनी
सीखने को बोल रहे हैं कि प्लीज कहाँ से आ रहे हैं वो इतने शेयर्स. Who do you think is sharing your reel? All the girls, aspiring girls who want their guys to do it.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So is this always going to be a genre, or are you also thinking of experimenting newly?
Again, changing with time.
Yeah.
You never know.
What is something that you would love to experiment with, or something you've thought but you've never like given it utna time to sit and brainstorm about it, but someday you would like to
Finance.
venture? Really?
Completely different.
बहुत ज़्यादा different है ये.
Completely different.
ये कहीं और है, ये कहीं और है.
Yeah,
Different planet
The
only.
comedy to feel good to finance.
But why finance?
Okay, so my main business is in finance. I've
Yeah.
been working as a retail individual investor in the US stock market
Wow.
for the past six years now.
Guys, he's living two lives.
Yes.
Tell us
I
more
am.
about it.
So yeah, I've been working in the stock market for like 6 years now. I have my own business there.
Wow.
And I keep traveling to like Miami and New York for that. And
Amazing.
that's that.
And then you're finding time to also create content.
That is what my nights are for. Like my nights go in the market.
And in the daytime, you're a content creator.
Yes.
24 hours का सबसे maximum utilization कैसे करना है कोई ना समझे. इसका भी एक गुरुकुल बना सकते हो ना मतलब.
अच्छा फाइनेंस का तो हाँ मुझे बनाना भी चाहिए.
सक्सेसफुल कंटेंट भी है और फाइनेंस का बिजनेस भी चला रहा है. कहाँ? मायामी वैसे.
Love how she enunciates.
USA.
USA.
but like men who are not doing even half as much as you are doing, उनको 24 घंटे कम पड़ रहे हैं. आपको 24 घंटे कैसे इनफ पड़ रहे हैं?
24 घंटे शाहरुख खान पे भी हैं. यानी ही शाहरुख खान.
एस्पिरेशन होना चाहिए. कुछ भी कर सकते हो. लड़की भी पटा सकते हो. मैन रिटन बाय अ वुमन भी बन सकते हो.
Yes. I think I have taken huge inspiration from him.
From Shahrukh.
Yeah.
Everyone should.
100%. The nazakat that he uses.
And the respect with which he
Oh.
treats any woman around.
Beautiful.
I've heard stories from people who are not in this business, who have someday happened to have crossed paths with him maybe at the airport or somewhere. even they have such nice stories to tell. That is when you understand that it's not made up. It's there. It's the person he is.
I just like मैं कभी कभी सच में सोचता हूँ कि भाई how difficult it must be for him to manage so many things at once.
True.
You know, the business side of it, the acting side, and the hate that he gets, and a huge respect to what he does, man.
True. और उनको भी 24 hours ही है guys.
Exactly, and then he's a reader. He reads like 2-3 books at one time.
I was gonna ask you, are you a reader?
Yes.
तभी तो Man Written by Woman पता चलेगा क्या होता है. Guys, I think you all should start reading also.
Yes.
Who's your favorite author?
So I read a lot of different things.
Yeah.
But mostly I read self-help and finance. So my different author might be someone, Charlie Munger, guys.
Have you ever read any fiction?
Yeah.
Man Written by Woman का कोई example?
Yes.
Which one?
Strangers, Marry Me Stranger.
What?
By Novanil Chakrabarti.
Wow.
Yeah, that. I've also read, again, fiction I read very less.
Yeah.
My best friends keep, like pitching it to me. Yeah. Crime and Punishment I've read.
Yeah.
And I read Khalil Gibran, the poems.
Wow.
Yeah. Prophet. वो बहुत अच्छी poem है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
काफी facets है इस man के. देखो
So, yeah, finance
reading
to poem
also.
and all. Yeah.
Truly feels like a Shah Rukh Khan inspired man written by a woman.
और मैंने English honors करी है, तो मेरे को पढ़ना
Literature.
literature.
Has to be a part of it.
Yeah.
Amazing. Naman, you said you also like are interested in finance. You have your business in finance, all of that. Let's talk about life before content creation. What was it like? Tell me
Like
everything.
before content creation?
Yes.
Okay, it was all finance.
Yeah.
Like stock market day and night. I used to like do courses, learn, read. I think that was like my whole day.
Yeah.
And when I was in US, so like bank meetings और ये सब accounts खुलवाना, और क्योंकि वहाँ पे गया था तो थोड़ा बहुत stereotype होता ही है कि an Indian boy who's 19-20, he wants to open an investment account.
Yeah.
Like no, where you from? Go.
Oila.
Yeah.
That happened.
So it was a little difficult. Papa helped a lot क्योंकि at first he was very rigid कि नहीं भाई stock market में तो नहीं जाना,
Yeah.
कि सट्टा है नहीं ये सब नहीं कर रहा.
Brown parents.
Brown parents, but again उनका intention सही होता है.
Yeah.
So ऐसे करके start किया था.
So you went to the US when you were 19.
I went for the first time when I was 18 for a
Yeah.
vacation.
Yeah.
Like we purchased.
And you liked it.
Loved it. I love New York. It's my favorite city to be
Wow.
in. That's why I'm in Mumbai. Mumbai is very
Yeah.
similar to
So
New York.
it is?
Very similar.
Even the dirt?
No.
That's what I thought.
No, but the construction, the noise, the people, the energy, and the liveliness.
Hustle culture.
The hustle culture. The buildings, the ceiling.
हम उन्हीं को तो टक्कर देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तुमको क्या लगा?
भाई तो बॉम्बे तो. But yeah.
Yeah, but how was it when you moved there for good?
Yeah, so basically what happened was that I always wanted to be an actor.
Yeah.
How it started was that my father was like कि how are you thinking, like how will you process it?
Yeah.
तो मैं कहा कि मुझे बॉम्बे जाना है. तो he's like चले जाओगे, but पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे?
Yeah.
And मैं like what do you mean कहाँ से आएंगे आप?
अब दोगे?
He's like 1 रुपए नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि you're not going away from me.
Yeah.
You're staying here. I'm like that is not happening. I'm not staying because I don't want to be under your shadow.
Yeah.
I want to explore the
Yeah,
world.
right. Of course, yeah.
She's like, ठीक है कमाओ फिर. Very brutal, very honest, and I loved that he was like that because it
Parents preparing you for your
exactly.
future. Yeah.
He's like खुद कमाओ भाई, मैं मेरे नहीं दूंगा मैं एक भी रुपए. ठीक है. मैंने ऐसे देखा 2-3 मूवीज देखी थी कि यूएस में ना ऐसे जज नहीं होते आप जॉब्स पे, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
यहाँ पे आप गाड़ी दोगे तो जज करा जाता
True,
है.
yeah, yeah. Relatives ही 10 चीजें बोलते हैं.
Exactly. और एक स्टेटस बहुत मैटर करता है
Yeah.
यहाँ पे. तो मैं कहा ठीक है आप बस एक काम करो, आप बस मेरी टिकट करा दो.
Yeah.
हाँ 1 लाख रुपए की टिकट होगी, बस इतना करा दो, बाकी सब मैं देख लूंगा.
Yeah.
पापा ने कहा चलो ठीक है करके देखते हैं. पापा ने टिकट्स कराई. आई फ्लू देयर, मायामी गया, घर था वहाँ पे. तो अगेन कमिंग फ्रॉम वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड हाउसहोल्ड, तो आई एम ब्लेस्ड बाय दैट. आई एम नॉट निग्लेक्टिंग इट कि नहीं मैं तो ऐसे रोड पे सोया.
अपना घर होना ही कितनी
Exactly.
शेल्टर एक अगर सॉर्टेड हो तो कितनी चीजें सॉर्ट हो जाती
डैड की बैकिंग हमेशा रही है. तो वहाँ पे काम करा, बाहर निकला, पता चला स्टारबक्स में जॉब ओपनिंग है. सो आई वेंट देयर एंड उससे 1 साल पहले जब हम घूमने गए थे एज अ टूरिस्ट, तो मैं सिएटल गया था. वहाँ पे दुनिया का पहला स्टारबक्स है.
हाँ.
वहीं से ही शुरू हुआ था,
Yeah.
पाइक प्लेस मार्केट
Yeah.
में. तो मैंने वो पूरा देखा था. तो जब उसने मेरा इंटरव्यू लिया, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि कोई मेरे साथ बैठ जाएगा तो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि वो मुझे पसंद ना करे
है.
अगर मैं बात करने पे आ गया तो. तो मैं कह सकता कोई भी मेरे सामने बैठ जाए,
Wow.
बस मुझसे 15 मिनट बात कर ले, बाहर से मैं कैसा भी मुझे नहीं पता, बट बात कर लेगा तो मुझे पसंद करके ही जाएगा.
I can vouch for that now.
So I have that
So,
delusion.
but so you worked as a barista?
Yeah.
What?
So I gave
Tell
that
me
interview.
about that experience.
Yeah. Gave that interview. There were a lot of people there.
Yeah.
I told them about my love for coffee and how I experienced the Pike Place market. And she's like, "Oh my God, it's my dream to go there." Because Miami और Seattle अलग-अलग है. It's like Kashmir, Kanyakumari.
Yeah.
So
She was like, इसने तो वो experience कर
हाँ.
लिया तो इसको job तो देना बनता है.
So I used my ऐसे Indian street smartness. मैं कहा हाँ मैं तो पूरा गया था. थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे 19-20. अरे मैंने ही बनाई थी वहाँ कॉफी. What? Seriously? दिल्ली. So she's like, oh okay. So I got the job. Worked there for 3 months.
Wow.
Made crazy money. Always had a smile on my face. Always treated people well. So जितनी मेरी salary थी, I think उससे 1.5 times मुझे tips मिलती थी. So I made good amount of money in 4 to 5 months. Starbucks से 2.5 months में बोर हो गया था क्योंकि मुझसे सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठा जाता था एंड मेरा रीचिंग टाइम होता था 8. सो मैं होता था कि 7 साढ़े 6 बजे उठना पड़ता था और मैं सोता ही नहीं था तो मैं थोड़ा क्रैंकी भी होने लग गया था. फिर आई डिड अ कार, मेरे घर के जस्ट बाहर ना कार वॉशिंग वो था एक दुकान शैक टाइप. तो मैं उनके पास गया कि कह रहे पेपर्स like do you have a working visa? I did not have a working visa ever. I was there on business visa. तो मैं कहा हाँ है. कह रहे कहाँ है? मैं कहा
ये confidence.
delusion भाई दिल्ली. दे दूँगा.
I love how he said delusion भाई दिल्ली.
हाँ तो delusion दिल्ली साथ में चलते हैं. तो मैं कहा कि हाँ मैं हूँ ना मैं कर लूँगा. तो कहा बहुत मुश्किल होता है धूप में करना. मैं कहा अरे मेरे लिए थोड़ी मुश्किल है कुछ. जैसे अभी आपने बोला ना कि एक टेक में बोलना है वो मेरे लिए मुश्किल. सो या आई थिंक 15-20 दिन गाड़ियाँ धोई बट मेरा बहुत टैन हो रहा था. कुछ और करते हैं हम. तो फिर मेरे नेबर ने मुझे बताया कि उसका कैमरा बिजनेस है. तो एक ना हाइक विजन एक कंपनी है हाँ जिसके CCTV कैमराज आते हैं. तो उसने कहा कि तू टेक में कैसा है. बढ़िया. कहता कैमरा रिपेयर कर लेगा. हाँ कर लूँगा. कुछ नहीं बता. वो मीम है ना कि बंदा पायलट प्लेन में बैठा हुआ है और वो रीड कर रहा है हाउ टू फ्लाई अ प्लेन. मैं एग्जैक्ट वैसा ही था. उसने कहा कैमरा ठीक करने आते हैं. मैं कहा आते बनाए मैंने ये मेरी कंपनी है यार. चाइना मैंने कुछ भी कह रहा कर लेगा ना. मैं कहा हाँ. वो मुझे एक जॉब पे ले गया अपने साथ और वो बहुत बड़े एक मैंशन में ले गया. लिपशिट्स मिस्टर लिपशिट्स हाँ एक ज्यू के घर में एंड वो डायमंड मर्चेंट्स थे. जहाज जैसा बड़ा घर एंड उन्होंने अपना काम मुझे दे दिया कि तुम ठीक करो ये. तुम्हें बस फोन से कनेक्ट करना है कि बिकॉज वो इतने ओल्ड थे तो उनको अपने कैमरा को फोन से कनेक्ट करना नहीं आ रहा था. और करना क्या था कि डब्बे पे पीछे बारकोड बना हुआ था. बारकोड स्कैन करना था और फोन से कनेक्ट हो जाता. और मेरे को लगा अगर मैं बता दूंगा तो मेरे तो पैसे
मतलब हाँ ऐसा लगेगा कि ये क्या बिग डील है. हाँ
मैं कहा अरे यार आपका ना फोन और ये कैमरा आप ये देखो वर्जन अलग है तो बड़ा मुश्किल काम है. उसने कहा बट तुम कर लोगे. मैं कहा ऑफ कोर्स मैं कर लूंगा. मैं नहीं तो कौन. तो मैं कहा ठीक है. मैं फिर 1 घंटा वहाँ पे बैठा रहा. यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख रहा हूँ. कपिल शर्मा देख रहा हूँ वहाँ पे बैठ के. हाँ तारक मेहता का एक एपिसोड लगा दिया. आराम से 1 घंटा देखा. वो मेरे लिए टी लेके आ रहे हैं ब्लैक टी. मैं आराम से पी रहा हूँ. सुंदर मैंशन. जैसे ऐसा घर मिल जाए तो मजा आ जाए.
वाओ.
तो 1 घंटा बैठा. फिर उसने मुझे $150 दिए उस 1 घंटे के. एंड में जब 5 मिनट मुझे लगा कि अब बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो गया तो मैंने फ़ोन लिया उनके बारकोड से ऐप डाउनलोड किया कनेक्ट किया. सर हो गया आपका काम. तो उसने मुझे 150 दिए एंड बंदा जो मुझे लेके गया था उसने मुझे $100 दिए. तो $250
बस बैठ के कपिल शर्मा ने.
हाँ कपिल शर्मा देखने के. सो $250 सर ये करते हैं इसमें टैन भी नहीं होगा और कभी भी जा सकता हूँ. तो 1 महीना वो करा. सो आई मेड गुड क्रेजी मनी एंड आई वाज लाइक आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक अ माइजर. कुछ पैसे खर्च नहीं करता था वहाँ पे. नो डेट्स नो फ्रेंड्स नथिंग. सो 6 महीने क्योंकि हर चीज़ में पैसे लगते थे.
सो डिटरमाइंड.
या कुछ भी नहीं. मेरे को याद है वहाँ पे ना वो नहीं होता जेट स्प्रे. हाँ तो अब इंडियंस हमें तो यूज करना होता है एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तुम 6 महीने नहीं कर सकते टॉयलेट पेपर यूज. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड अ जेट स्प्रे फ्रॉम Amazon. अब मुझे पता चला कि जेट स्प्रे $70 का है बट जो प्लम्बर है वो $200 ले रहा है. फक ये क्या. तो फिर ट्यूटोरियल्स
थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया.
फिर ट्यूटोरियल्स देखे वो.
You learned how
Yeah,
to,
yeah.
and you did it.
Yeah.
You are a doer.
Thank you.
Starbucks barista. फिर what was the second? Car wash.
Car wash.
Tan हो रहा था इसलिए छोड़ा. Then camera repair करने वाला. Then what was the last thing?
This plumbing.
Plumbing. Everything is done. इसीलिए लोग कहते हैं कि बाहर देश जाना चाहिए.
हाँ.
दुनिया मतलब अक्ल आ जाती है.
ट्रैवल करना चाहिए. And we recently collaborated with Starbucks
Yeah.
for a brand video. So it was like a full circle moment.
Yeah.
I was so emotional while shooting all that.
Yeah, कहाँ से कहाँ तक.
हाँ, वो बहुत ऐसा अच्छा.
So good, yeah, Naman. Okay, tell me, was choosing gentle, emotionally aware male characters a conscious decision, or did it just naturally happen to you and you were like कि मैं हूँ तो ऐसा बंदा जो लड़कियाँ चाहती है, मैं बना देता हूँ उसके बारे में content.
So it was like a mix of both.
Yeah.
Earlier we used to create any type of content comedy में.
Yeah.
क्योंकि comedy में कभी आप अपना मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, कभी आप अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड का मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, कभी आप अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का मजाक उड़ा रहे हो,
कभी ईशान का मजाक
कभी
उड़ रहा है.
ईशान का तो भाई तो कभी-कभी वो अगेन थोड़ा बहुत डेरोगेटरी हो जाता था.
Yeah.
एंड फिर मैं ना मेरी और प्रतीक भाई की ऐसे एक घंटे की कॉन्वर्सेशन होती थी कि भाई दिस डजंट फील मी यार.
Yeah.
ये मैं स्क्रिप्ट तो लिख दी है और मैं परफॉर्म तो कर रहा हूँ बट
It's
दिस
not me.
या एग्जैक्टली बहुत गैप है
Yeah.
इस नमन कपूर में और जो मैं एक्चुअली हूँ.
Real and real में.
एग्जैक्टली. सो व्हाट कैन आई डू एंड ही इज लाइक भाई धीरे धीरे अपने आप ना यू जस्ट कीप वर्किंग, पुट योर हेड डाउन एंड जस्ट धीरे धीरे वो अपने
How
आप
sweet.
हो जाएगा ट्रांजिशन. यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन द वर्क एंड यू डोंट लुक अप, डोंट लुक एट द रिजल्ट्स. आई विल फिक्स द बिजनेस साइड ऑफ इट एंड दैट हैपेंड.
And that's how you found this niche. Do you
Yeah.
remember the first ever Men Written by Women wala
Yes,
reel you made?
yes.
What was it about?
I
And how long ago?
I think it was like 8-9 months or a year ago. Yeah.
Wow. What was it about?
So I made it with Mannat, a great friend of mine, and basically it was like some as a double meaning jokes in the beginning, and then I booked her a table, like we booked a table for like a date, Bastion at the top, and then I asked her to drop her home, and she was like, it's too far.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm not asking, I'm insisting. So please, I insist. And she's like, no, it's too far. I'm like, I insist. So she's like, oh, okay.
How sweet.
Yeah, and that worked crazy.
Yeah.
that-
Because this was my question for you. Do you think that this niche that you found, Men Written by Women, this is working because men these days are not able to do that for women? They're not, firstly, तो emotionally unavailable.
Gujarati ke.
You will get a flavor of everything here.
Indian.
We are very diverse.
Yes.
Secular.
What did you just
Secular.
say? How is this secular?
Touch wood to a secularism.
Oh, wow. Nice. Secular.
He's funny also, guys. Yeah, but do you think it's because women are not getting it in real life? And why do you think that is? What is the hurdle? Like, why are men here and Men Written by Women here? Why are they on different plateaus?
Question of the century. But
What do you think it is? Being a man, what do you think? What is the hurdle there?
yeah, I think that we were taught that being nonchalant is cool, and it's so.
Alpha energy.
हाँ मतलब.
Alphas don't care.
But alphas do care. That is what the point is.
Yeah.
हाँ जैसे अभी मैं धुरंधर देख रहा था.
Yeah.
A great movie by the way. And उसमें ना जो वो अक्षय खन्ना कैरेक्टर है वो सब गोलियां मार रहे हैं, ऐसे सबको मार रहे हैं, सबको डराए हुए जा रहे हैं और एकदम से उनके सन की डेथ होती है मूवी में.
And that scene, I know what you're talking
या
about.
एंड वो एकदम से आते हैं, उनकी वाइफ रो रही होती है और उनकी वाइफ खिंचा के थप्पड़ मारती है उसको सबके सामने.
Yeah.
और वो कहता है आर यू ओके
Yeah.
और वो गले लगा लेता है. आई एम लाइक
He gets it.
यस. मतलब उसको इतना शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड दिखाया है एंड ही कुड हैव जस्ट लाइक अगर कोई किसी और की मूवी होती वुड हैव पुट अ गन लाइक कि हाउ डिड यू हिट मी इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल दीस पीपल.
True.
सो बीइंग अल्फा इज लाइक understanding.
I love how he's put it with such a relevant example because even I noticed that scene and it's not talked about.
Yeah.
I have not seen anyone talk about that scene. It's just how gruesome the entire film is.
Yeah.
But this was such a cute little.
Same happened with Ranveer Singh also. Like he was standing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and
when he comes from that night.
yes, that night, and she slaps him, and he's like, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So being so violent and so
Yeah.
alpha, and this is what alpha means.
Yeah.
You
You
don't
know, you pick your battles.
exactly.
Right.
And yeah, you
And you're never at war with your partner.
never, never, ever. It's a team.
Yeah.
It's not you versus I. It's
Yeah.
us versus the problem.
The problem always. I mean, when will the men understand it?
I hope
Or the woman?
keep watching.
I
the
feel
content.
sometimes the women are also contributors to things not working
No, 100%.
the ideal way.
100%.
Because ताली दोनों हाथों से बचती है हमेशा.
यार ये ना बहुत गलत जगहों पे यूज होती है ये वाला स्टेटमेंट.
Tell me how. How do you mean?
मैंने बहुत ऐसे न्यूज़ चैनल्स में देखा है कि जब सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट हो या कुछ हो
Yes.
तो वो इस जगह पे ये स्टेटमेंट यूज कर देते हैं.
Yeah, that's a very wrong place.
हाँ,
It's
मैं
a
अभी
very
भी ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ ना तो
insensitive
मुझे
place.
ऐसे अजीब सा बैक ऑफ द.
Very insensitive place to
हाँ,
use.
तो
a
मुझे
कहावत.
स्टेटमेंट ही नहीं पसंद कि ताली दोनों हाथों से बचती है कि
I get it. I get why it's irking you that
Yeah.
much.
सो या मतलब पता नहीं मतलब हाँ ऑफ कोर्स रिलेशनशिप में दोनों की गलतियां कभी कभी
Yeah.
होती हैं बट सही चलाओगे तो चल जाएगा.
But do you think women, I mean, men written by women, हर woman को चाहिए. But do you think women are deserving enough in today's day and age?
ऑलवेज है मम्मी तो मतलब मैं सबसे पहले मेरा सबसे पहला रिफ्लेक्स है कि मॉम और डैड को इमेजिन करो. हाँ यार.
How cute. I think that is what makes a man written by a woman. Because the first thought is मम्मी और मम्मी को कोई कैसे
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मम्मा तो डिजर्विंग है यार.
Treat
मम्मा इज
करेगा.
पीक डिजर्विंग.
absolutely
पीक.
absolutely and then comes your sister.
हाँ हाँ तो
इनसे इज्जत से बिहेव करना चाहिए सब ने
100%. दुनिया
दुनिया ने
दुनिया ने
दुनिया ने
निकालू फिर मैं अपनी.
that look that he gave दुनिया ने. But Naman, you've been doing this for 8 months, 8 to 10 months. You said the man written by a woman, right? What change have you seen in yourself? Has there been any?
Yes.
Yeah,
A certain sense of softness.
yeah,
I think I've become more understanding towards how and when and why women need to be pampered.
yeah.
I really believe that one should pamper women. Unpopular opinion, I do not believe that men and women are equal. Very controversial, very... Oh, wow.
I don't.
But I don't. I feel कि भाई बहुत अलग-अलग जगहों पे
और
बहुत
दोनों के अपने strengths हैं.
exactly हम
And we should learn to coexist, not beat the other one.
exactly there is no war happening भाई. हम मतलब equality opportunities में होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
But नहीं है men and women equal. Women need a certain sense of pampering and they
Yeah.
feel nice
Yeah.
when it happens.
I agree.
और उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. मतलब मेरे काफी ऐसे मतलब ऐसे मैंने सुना हुआ है कि तुम पैम्पर कर रहे हो और अगर वो हो रही तो वो गोल्ड डिगर है. तो ऐसे तो मम्मियाँ भी गोल्ड डिगर हुई फिर क्योंकि पापा पैम्पर कर रहे हैं और वो कितनी खुश होती हैं.
Yeah, and what she brings to the table is completely different, na? There are
Yeah.
two different things
Exactly.
that both the genders are bringing to the table.
100%.
So instead of trying to beat the other out at, अरे तुम ये करो मैं भी ये कर सकती हूँ, why not appreciate what is brought to the table, right?
100%.
That's how even I look at it, and it's a welcome change that's coming in some people, but
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
still a slow change.
It is. It definitely is a slow change.
But reform takes time. आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
आपका content चल रहा है ना? This is going to stick, isn't it? Now.
Yeah, 100%.
Do you okay, comedy gets laughs but soft content gets feelings. So which one feels riskier for you to
Comedy.
post? Yeah, it's
Comedy.
risky
Yeah.
because you don't know how someone will take it.
अरे भाई जेलदार है लोग. Comedy is very risky.
Comedy लिखते समय कितना सोचना पड़ता है?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
The timing also matters, right?
Comedy में everything matters. Like your breathing, the way you're enunciating it.
Yeah.
हर चीज़ matter करती है comedy में. And people who are acing comedy, hats off. Like be it Kapil Sharma, be it Samir Raina, be it Bhuvan Bam.
Samir Raina is doing something else only. He's done promotions. You will not see it coming.
Yeah, exactly.
And Samir has made it happen.
Yeah.
अलग ही चलता है.
Yeah. So again, people who are acing comedy
True.
are like they're geniuses.
True.
Yeah.
All of them. Who's your favorite comedian?
Kapil Sharma.
Yeah.
I've grown up watching him. So I love the backside of Kapil Sharma.
Yeah.
Like as in I don't know how that came. but,
Yeah.
Like how when मतलब the back story, sorry. English honors करी मैंने, ये नहीं बोल पा रहा मैं, बताओ.
Cute, but वो बड़ी भावनाओं से आया, वो समझ
हाँ,
आया.
the back story. So I read a book that was based on Kapil Sharma. Yeah. So उसमें that how much he works even today when he's like the king of the game.
Yeah.
भाई वो बंदा अभी भी कुत्तों की तरह मेहनत कर रहा है and he's like कि everyone be it Sunil Grover, right?
Yeah.
Sunil Grover and बाकी उनमें जो contestants कह रहा हूँ, क्या कहते हैं?
Participants.
Participants?
We're both losing it,
Yeah.
guys.
We're
The
not a good
other
team.
artists.
Artists. हम ये कैसे भूल सकते हैं?
It's okay. We're going with the flow. Yeah, but the artists, they're also good.
Yeah, they're working hard, but Kapil Sharma is on another level.
Yeah.
They all come for like 15-20 minutes, but he's the one who's handling the whole show.
He's anchoring the entire
Yeah, he was doing stand-up when it was not cool.
Yeah, I remember those days.
Yeah. So yeah.
Comedy Club.
Yeah. A laughter challenge
Laughter
also.
challenge. Man.
Crazy.
He's really made something after it. Na? Even through, I love how even through controversies, when some of them just find their way to stay afloat,
100%.
say so much about their resilience.
100%.
And teachers, I mean, people have very varied opinions about everything. एक तो controversy आते ही उनके opinions भी बढ़ जाते हैं हर चीज़ में. But what they don't see is the person is fighting the controversy and still making something out of it. That is what you should pay attention on, because that will actually help you in your life.
100%. You just don't stop.
Unsolicited opinions don't help you.
Yeah. I recently met Tanmay Bhatt at a party. And
Same.
Oh wow. Tanmay
What
Bhatt is meeting everyone. He's everywhere.
But even I had a good time meeting him that time.
So I went up to him and I was like, I only have one question for you. How do you, every time that someone hits you, like with a controversy, you fall, how is it that every time you get up?
Yeah.
And he just looks at me and he's like, bro, it just happens. You just keep going forward. It just happens. I'm like, okay. I thought that something, you do this, like some plan of action would be there. And he's like, just keep moving forward. It just happens. So like, wow. Very simple but very straightforward.
Very grounded answer.
Yeah.
That's how even I felt when I met him, because you hear a lot about everyone and then you meet the person and that's when you can tell the difference. There is a change in the energy, the aura is different. That's when you can see beyond what is going on the internet. Then you're seeing this person in real.
Yeah.
The way they're conducting themselves.
100%.
They're respectful to you. Why would you ever pay heed to the opinions that people who have nothing to do are posting online? Right?
100%.
You would much rather give the credit to what you felt in the moment with them rather than what someone is saying this may be the case. Sometimes a little drama comes out here also.
Yeah. Do you create content?
No.
Why?
Okay, let the compliment come.
You should. You have the energy, you have the voice for it.
I will.
Yeah, and you have the, what's it called? The being out there. So go, please. Upload.
Yeah, वहीं पर अटक जाती हूँ मैं.
Perfectionism.
I don't know what it is. I haven't figured it yet. I don't know what it is, but I know that I would love doing it. Meme trends fade fast, okay, but emotionally relatable content doesn't. It ages like fine. Has that changed how you choose what to create?
No.
Has this thought ever crossed your mind?
No, not at all. As I've mentioned earlier, it's very hit and trial.
Yeah.
Whatever comes to my mind, I just make it. You don't know what will resonate with the people. Sure. You don't know what will stick to the wall.
Yeah, and sometimes I've heard that sometimes something that doesn't work immediately may pick up later.
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah,
it's happened with you?
Yes,
and how did that make you feel? Like, अरे bro, मेरे को तो लगा था ये मर गया reel.
I think the best thing that you can do is, I think मुझे किसी बहुत बड़े creator ने बताया था that, बहुत बड़े investor ने बताया था when it comes to market. So मैं market से बहुत ज़्यादा inspiration लेता हूँ कि whenever you're purchasing good stock and it's doing well, don't think that you're smart. Don't think like अब तुमने ऐसे हो जाओगे कि पैसे कमा लिए इतने सारे, मैं मुझसे smart तो कोई है नहीं, क्योंकि अगर वो नीचे जाएगा तो मतलब तुम dumb हो. So same goes with the reel.
Don't attach your worth.
Exactly. अगर reel फट रही है तो इट्स ओके तुमने काम करा, तुम सेकंड वाली स्क्रिप्ट बनाओ, सेकंड वाला पोस्ट करो, और अगर वो नीचे जा रही है तो भी इट्स नॉट योर थिंग टू वरी अबाउट. यू जस्ट कीप अगेन, जैसे प्रतीक भाई ने बोला, सर नीचे करो, काम करो, डालते जाओ.
Wow.
So yeah,
That's how you.
don't attach yourself with the work.
Yeah, I mean sometimes and it is sadly an issue that a lot of creators may be facing who are doing only creation. कि worth attach हो जाता है by how well you're doing.
वो सबका होता है, like even like me, it's
Yeah.
easier said than done, but होता है, आप कितना एक effort डालो and it doesn't work that well, so you start feeling कि shit यार, इतनी मेहनत करी,
काश ये चल जाता.
इतनी मेहनत ये क्यों नहीं चली.
How long do you take to write a script? And where does the seed idea come from?
Okay, so there was this book that is from, I think, Austin Kleon, Steal Like an Artist, black colored small book. उसमें था that angels talk to a man when he walks.
So you walk?
Yeah, I go for a walk. I shut my phone off, I keep it on airplane, and I just go for a walk.
So you're not listening to music?
Not at all. I just walk. I put on my earphones, like my AirPods, noise cancellation on, क्योंकि बहुत शोर है बॉम्बे में. बहुत शोर है भाई बॉम्बे में. I love बॉम्बे, but बहुत शोर है बॉम्बे में.
मैं भी बॉम्बे, मुझे भी पसंद नहीं है ये शोर.
हर जगह कंस्ट्रक्शन.
I can't wait to get out of Bombay sometimes.
Sometimes. But then you miss the city.
Yeah.
You don't?
I miss my people more than the city.
Oh.
Yeah. Like अगर मैं उन सबको लेके कहीं और ऐसे बस्ती बसा सकती थी, मैं कर देती.
But where would you like shift to?
Hills.
Oh, you're that kind.
Yeah.
You're
I
that.
would like to have my people around me to the hills. We'll go to the hills, read something there, sit and just be in nature.
Where?
I feel nature is very grounding. I really like the Northeast.
Oh, I've never been to Northeast.
Oh please, you have to. Everyone's talking about the North. They're not even seeing the Northeast.
Where should I go? Like, what's the first place that I should go to?
Nagaland.
Okay.
But like the last village of Nagaland, which is Longwa.
Longwa.
They have a tribe called the Headhunters.
Headhunters.
They were warriors back in the time.
Okay.
And they used to actually like kill their enemies and get their heads, like behead them and get them as like proof that, oh, we've killed these many. Yeah. But there are only 17 of them left.
Oh wow.
Their next generations are there, but now it's illegal,
Of
right,
course.
to kill someone.
Huh.
But these men who have done it still do exist, but there are only 17 of them.
You've met like.
Yes, I lived with them in their mud house. So झाड़ के roof बने हुए थे.
How was the experience?
It was amazing, and I did not want to come back.
Were they like how were they like when they were?
They were not very like you'd think कि अरे बहुत ही आदिवासी type रहेंगे. No, they're pretty civil like that. It's just सब है कम है, minimal है.
सब है कम है.
But बहुत
शायर.
Life बहुत अच्छी है वहाँ पर, because you wake up to the birds chirping. You wake up and you see the sun is below you.
Oh.
You're on the hills. The sun is below you, and it's coming up. The sun is rising up, and it's matte. It's coming up to you. It's not going up from you. It's a different view. And I went there, and Longwa and Bhutan share the border.
Okay.
But there is no border like that. So you can actually walk into Bhutan. It's a trek. So you have to be prepared for it.
So how do you like go to like do you take like a road trip?
So how I went was I went to Dibrugarh, which is in Nagaland only. I landed there. Then I took a car, like we rented a car and we made a road trip out of it. It takes at least the entire day. बीच में roads भी खराब होते हैं, थोड़ा patch खराब होता है. But the drive, na man. Wow. No one around. There are no cars around because not many people are doing up and down over there. And it's you're really accompanied by birds.
Crazy, man.
I mean,
Longwa.
Mon district is actually where the headhunters are originally from, but थोड़ा सा आजू बाजू के गांव में चले जाते हैं ना. So we went looking for the tribe because my friend, he's a photographer, partner back then. He's a photographer. He wanted to photograph because he's an artist. So he captures and he paints, draws them himself. And for that he wanted to go and fetch them so then he can make them like अच्छे lighting में we can click the pictures. So it was a proper adventure that happened and it was the best adventure of my life.
Beautiful.
I made a reel also. ऐसे border के इस तरफ मैं लॉन्गवा में खड़ी और उस तरफ कदम डाल के मैं भूटान में चली गई. And it's very beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful. I'd love to see that video as well. आप इसके बाद देखेंगे.
I will definitely. कहाँ से कहाँ चले गए.
हाँ मतलब.
But yeah, if you want to take a trip somewhere, go to the northeast. Because like I had never thought about this, but when you asked me if I would like to relocate somewhere and make a living there, it would definitely be northeast. The people are also good. They're welcoming. I don't know how I'll manage the food scene because like really hard meat eaters.
Ooh.
वो नहीं, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. But otherwise.
वहाँ Blinkit नहीं आता.
नहीं आता. वहाँ लाइट ही आ जाए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
भैया यार Blinkit नहीं आता है.
नेटवर्क भी कभी कभी आके जाके रहता है. और वहाँ पे रास्ते पे बच्चे खेलते हैं, सोते हैं, लेटते हैं, वहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ ही नहीं आती.
What do you mean? बच्चों के हाथ में iPhone नहीं है?
नहीं.
Shit.
नहीं है
तो
उनके हाथ
Zepto कैफे से कम सामान नहीं मंगा सकते?
उनको Zepto क्या है ये भी नहीं पता. और वो ऐसे कोई टूरिस्ट जाता है तो बहुत खुश हो जाता है.
अरे वाह यार, so sweet.
उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है कोई आया है. फिर ऐसे दूर से ऐसे देखते क्या कर रहे हैं ये. Because उनको हम अलग दिखते हैं ना. We don't look like they are people, right? And they're too young to understand also that we are one. We are Indians. Yeah, but if you want or anyone watching wants to make a trip to a place that will really blow your mind, it has to be Longwa.
Headhunters.
Headhunters. Don't make fun of it. They have a hill where they've kept all the heads that they've gotten, like say दफना दिया है, but that's their hill of honor.
नहीं मैं डरता नहीं हूँ.
Oh my God. Okay, coming back to my next question. Do you think Gen Z humor is shifting from punchlines to emotional comfort? Do you think Gen Z people are wanting more, spiritual and groundedness than maybe...
Yes, as compared to the previous generation, 100%.
Yeah?
100%.
What welcome change are you seeing in them?
भाई we are more aware of what we want.
Yeah.
I think लोग बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं Gen Z's का ऐसे, but हमें मतलब यार हमें पता है हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें out of a relationship क्या चाहिए.
Yeah.
We're not ऐसे वो तो ना पुराने ज़माने में कि सह लो. हाँ सहने वाला तो हम बने ही नहीं हैं.
It's for yesterday.
Yeah. So I resonate with this part of the Gen Z.
Yeah.
We
know.
Yeah, we're aware.
We're aware.
We're aware.
We know,
of what
and
we want.
we're not scared of trying it.
Exactly. 100%.
जो consequences होगा देखा जाएगा. But try तो करेंगे.
Experience कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा मतलब.
And it makes a whole lot of a difference. If you have this conversation with someone before you, they're like, "Boy, you're very brave that you could do this."
You have the internet, no?
That is very, very true. Okay, I've got a fun segment for you. This is, you have to tell me, I'll give you instances.
Is this water?
Yeah, it is.
Thank you.
It's for you.
Thank you.
I'll give you instances and you'll have to tell me if this is wishful fiction or internet delusion.
Wishful fiction or internet delusion. ठीक है.
Or green flag.
तीनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है.
तीनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay. Enjoys girly things without making it a personality announcement.
Green flag.
Green flag.
Yeah.
Don't pick the easy answer for everything.
Okay.
Plans a date without asking क्या करे.
Oh, 100% green flag.
लेकिन ये ऐसा होता है या ये like internet
अपने बारे में बताऊं कि मतलब normal?
Majority क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में वो बताओ.
मैंने लड़कों को डेट नहीं करा. मुझे पता नहीं है.
बट क्या तुम्हारे दोस्त जब डेट करते तो वो ऐसे करते हैं?
यार मेरे सारे दोस्त मेरे जैसे. हाँ. बीएड.
आप कौन से गुरुकुल से सीखे? गुरुकुल.
मेरे सारे दोस्त.
और आपके सारे दोस्तों को किसने ऐसे शेप किया है?
I think trauma bonding करते हैं हम. हाँ. Bad नहीं क्या कहते हैं वो parental fights ने.
Parental fights. For your man to have to be a man written by a woman, they need to have had parental fights.
He should come from a household. But like वो होता है ना कि मैंने.
No, but I agree. I think my brother is also like that because of course having a sister makes a difference, and then having seen that, you're like this तो I don't want.
Exactly. कि सब चलेगा ये कलेश नहीं चाहिए.
ये नहीं चाहिए. ये कलेश क्यों हो रहा है पहले वो ढूंढेंगे और फिर वो रीजन ही हटा देंगे जड़ से. ऐसे तो मैंने बनना ही नहीं है. ये तो मैंने करना ही नहीं है.
Exactly anti.
Anti, right. Remember small preferences without notes or reminders. Is this wishful fiction or internet delusion or is this green flag? Is this happening?
Okay, so day before yesterday, I was walking with my girlfriend, and she's like कि वो ना flowers pink वाले बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. हमने हाँ अच्छे लग रहे हैं, and we walked. And वो ना ऐसे मजाक कर रही थी कि you've not asked me to be a Valentine and all that. So yesterday, we were walking by the same road, and मतलब हम basically हमें कहीं जाना था, and we were looking for an auto, and I'm like just give me a minute. और मैं जानबूझ के उसी रोड से गया. तो मैं भाग के वो फ्लावर्स लेके आया, I'm like वो रेड वाला, और वो ऐसे पिंक कलर के बहुत सारे से बड़ा सा बुके था. And she's like हमारी 3 दिन पहले बात हुई थी, and मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे बोला था कि
And you remember 3 दिन तक याद
100%. मतलब my only goal is to make her happy, happier, happiest. So yeah, मुझे नहीं पता ये
ऐसे गोल्स होने चाहिए लाइफ में. सीखो.
अब देखो भैया भी पूकी बने हुए हैं.
टेक्स्ट रीच्ड विदाउट बीइंग प्रॉम्प्टेड, मतलब पहुंच गया, मतलब ऐसे कहीं पर पहुंचने के बाद. और लड़कियों, आई डोंट नो ये लड़कियों का है लड़कों का है, बट कुछ लोगों का ऐसे होता है कि उनका पार्टनर अगर कहीं जा रहा है तो वह वहाँ पहुंचकर बस एक बार मैसेज डाल दे कि रीच. इसमें कोई पॉजेसिवनेस या ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, इसमें बस ये है कि फिक्र है कि भाई तुम सही से पहुंच गए या नहीं.
विशफुल. क्योंकि मैं नहीं कर पाता,
याद नहीं रहता.
ये मेरा टॉक्सिक ट्रेट है. मैं अपना भी बता दूं, ऐसे अपने भी ऐसे चिट्ठे सामने रखूं.
खोलूंगी ना मैं अभी, पूछूंगी.
अच्छा पूछिए. मेरे यही है, मैं ना टेक्स्ट पे बहुत गंदा हूँ, बहुत ही गंदा. जैसे अभी मैं लेट रहा था, मैं कहा कॉल, तो आई वुड रादर कॉल समवन एंड ऑल. और जैसे वो ना क्या करती है, वैसे 7-8 मैसेजेस भेज दिया, मैंने 7-8 पढ़े, एंड वाले का रिप्लाई है, मैंने कहा ओके, या सॉरी नॉट ओके बट एंड वाले मैसेज का रिप्लाई कर दिया. तो अब लड़ाई होगी कि पिछले 7 का रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं किया. हर एक का रिप्लाई
तो वॉल पे एड्रेस कर देते.
हाँ ये कर देता हूँ मैं
सारे को.
हाँ कि सुनो फिर ना, अब क्योंकि लड़ाई हो चुकी है इस पे एक बार, तो अब मैं कहता हूँ कि सिर्फ फर्स्ट मैसेज का आंसर ये है, सेकंड मैसेज का आंसर ये है. So now she's happy.
Happy, happier, happiest. That's the goal.
That's the goal. That should always be the goal.
Doesn't disappear for hours and call it space. Doesn't.
This should not happen.
Yeah, but like, is this, matlab, this is not happening. But if this is not happening, is it wishful thinking, or is it internet delusion, or is it green flag? ऐसे लोग हैं जो ऐसा कर रहे हैं.
हाँ है.
जो गायब नहीं होते.
हाँ हाँ है.
नमन अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल से मिला.
सारे डेट कर रहे हैं.
Listens without immediately trying to fix the problem.
ओह ये थोड़ा विशफुल है. हाँ.
Because men का वो होता है ना कि मैं तो solution provide करूँगा हर चीज़ के लिए.
ये विशफुल है.
But अगर बोला जाए कि hey I just want you to listen, I don't want you to give me a solution.
मैं तो यही करता हूँ. मैं तो इसी टीम में हूँ. मैं बाकियों का बता रहा हूँ इस टाइम. मैं अपने पे कोई रिस्क नहीं ले रहा यहाँ पे. बट कल इस बात पे हमारी थोड़ी सी बात हुई, तो मैंने कहा कि आपको जो मेरे को मान्या ने सिखाया है, मान्या ने उमंग ने, कि जब भी वो कॉल करती है ना एंड मैं उनको सोल्यूशन देने लग जाता हूँ, एंड शी लाइक मुझे सिर्फ रैंट करना है आज. हम लाइक अच्छा ये भी कोई चीज़ होती है. तो शी इज लाइक हम कॉन्वर्सेशन से पहले ही बता दिया करेंगे कि रैंट करना है या सोल्यूशन चाहिए. तो मैंने कल आई आस्क्ड माय गर्लफ्रेंड, कुछ बोल रही थी एंड शी वाज लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ क्राइंग, आई एम लाइक डू यू वांट अ सोल्यूशन, एंड शी इज लाइक ऑफ कोर्स आई वांट अ सोल्यूशन.
That's when you give a solution.
या मैं कहा ठीक है नाउ okay, so she's like what is this, so then I introduced her.
But this simple thing कि अगर किसी इंसान को समझ आ जाए कि this, अगर तुम conversation के पहले बस ये पूछ लो, ये पूछना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. इसी से समझ आ जाता है कि इसका intention है to listen. भले ही solution देने हो या सिर्फ सुनने के लिए हो, but
they just need an ear. and मेरी next video की script में भी यही है.
When is it out?
Oh by Gurukul, my next video is relationship school. Oh fuck, I'm a teacher there.
I saw it coming.
Oh bhai.
Do you have any doubts in it?
Oh my god.
नमन वैसे यहाँ पर मुझसे बात करते करते ऐसा भी बहुत लोगों का हुआ है कि they've said something and it's manifested. So you have your chance.
Dharma.
You said dharma, guys. Dharma में he wants to be casted.
100%. Dharma YRF.
And I feel that may soon happen.
आपके चरण कहाँ हैं देवी?
हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. आज नहीं तो कल हो जाएगा. Is secure enough to hype your success without acting weird. होते हैं ऐसे लड़के?
Green flag. 100%.
100%. कहीं गलत जगह ढूंढ रही हो शायद.
Green flag.
दिल्ली जाके ढूंढना पड़ेगा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
यार दिल्ली में हम मतलब मेरे 4 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, तो रिदम प्रताप बहुत जेंटल है. रिदम तो हम सबसे ज्यादा रिदम है. हम सबसे ज्यादा. ही लाइक भाई मुझे बात करनी है. और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई हम बैठे हुए हम आए हैं तुझसे मिलने. भाई बेबी का टाइम हो चुका है, मुझे बात करती है. तुम लोग समझ जाओ, तुम अपना देख लो. तुम तो वेल ले हो, तुम यहीं बैठे रहोगे. तुम्हें तो बस बकचोदी करनी है, मुझे बात करनी है.
How sweet.
स्वीट नहीं होता है, हम वेट कर रहे हैं.
नहीं ये स्वीट है, ऑफ कोर्स उसे अपनी प्रायोरिटीज पता है, उसे बिल्कुल भी इस बात में कोई ये नहीं है कि ये मेरी प्रायोरिटी है, बताया
हाँ.
खुल के.
तो वो तो बहुत ही मतलब अगेन मेरे को लगता है दिल्ली बॉयज बस स्टीरियोटाइप है कि
हाँ ना,
हम बड़े से जेंटल कह रहे हैं.
है ना, रॉकी रंधावा की तरह. आई एम अ फ्रजाइल.
या आई एम अ फ्रजाइल यार. बट आई एम अ फ्रजाइल.
या डू यू क्राई?
ओह, लव क्राइंग.
सेम. बट गर्ल्स को तो मतलब ऐसे इट्स
इनका वो है ना कि चलता है.
चलता है.
नहीं बट लव क्राइंग मैन.
Because it makes you feel so light.
Exactly.
The things in this world that are misunderstood. I don't know what I'll do with
Exactly. भाई मैं तो ऐसे क्राइंग सेशन पापा को समझा दिया मैंने अभी.
this. What did he have to say?
ये तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? मैं कहा हल्का फील होगा बहुत ज्यादा. What do you mean? मैं कहा it's my crying session please.
But what tips do you give your father these days?
Yeah, just take care of my mama.
Oh.
Yeah, just make her feel pampered.
And you, like when we started, you said your papa's becoming a pookie.
Yeah,
How do
yeah.
you mean?
So again पहले तो बहुत डिस्टेंस था. एक्सप्रेस नहीं करना और यू नो लाइक बिल्कुल ऐसे रहना कि पाप मैं फादर ऑफ द हाउस हूँ, मुझसे सब ऐसे ऐसे. एंड अब तो हम फुल बकचोद ऐसे कि
मस्ती.
हाँ ऐसे जोक्स क्रैक करना मम्मा के साथ कि आप लोग डेट पे क्यों नहीं जा रहे भाई आप दोनों. एंड ही लाइक बट हम दोनों अकेले क्यों जाएंगे. मतलब उनके लिए ना कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. हम लाइक हाँ मतलब हर बार मैं और जिया कंपनी नहीं करेंगे, आप लोग अकेले जाओ.
How sweet.
सब वो अकेला टाइम स्पेंड करने लग गए.
You're getting them used to that idea.
Yeah. उनके लिए थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट लाइक हल्का सा
It's new for them.
Very new for him. But I hope he gets used to like.
And how's mom liking this?
Of course she's loving it. She's a woman. Yeah, she loves the.
Does she
pamper.
come and tell you, Naman yaar, mast you are doing?
I talk to my mama daily.
Of course, you should also.
Yeah. Video call once a day is.
All guys should talk. Everyone should talk to their parents.
Another unpopular opinion. Mama's boy होता है. Mama's boy are not red flags. It's not a red flag, guys.
Even I don't feel so.
है ना? मतलब
They're built different, I feel.
Yeah, exactly. मतलब I was I think on this dating app once long back, and she's like, "Are you a mama's boy?" I think it was the 4th or the 5th question she asked.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay. I'm like, yeah, of course, I love my mother. She's like, oh my god, I cannot go out with you. I'm like, okay, but this is not a red flag.
I'll tell you why the problem is from a woman's perspective.
Please do.
We don't mind mama's boy. The problem is, you can be a mama's boy, but you need to have a mind of your own also.
100%.
It can't be just mama's mind and you're just running
Oh
around.
no.
That is when the problem happens.
Yeah. Mama can be wrong. Yeah.
But for that, the boy needs to have his own mind to know that. Matlab, everything mama says is always right. Moms are always right, but sometimes you need to take it with a pinch of salt.
Yes.
Because mamas can be possessive, rightfully so. They should be with their kids. And
but they can also be wrong. They're humans.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But that takes someone to have a mind of their own, na, to figure कि sometimes हर opinion नहीं लिया जा सकता.
100%.
That is what is amiss. But sadly, internet has become a very easy place to just throw words and make something out of it. That's what
makes sense.
happened with mama's boys.
Enlightenment हो रही है आज मेरी.
बताना इस conversation के बाद क्या-क्या you are taking from here.
2-3 स्क्रिप्ट है.
2-3 स्क्रिप्ट है. I am glad if in any way I am able to help.
That's so sweet.
Do you think Men Written by Women is a fantasy or just basic decency romanticized?
It is a fantasy that should be a basic decency
Romanticized.
Yeah.
Have you considered writing also a book?
Manya would write it. For me, she's a writer.
Written by a man.
Ooh. But like we have to make it something ऐसे वो.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा कुछ मसाला डालना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. Because title में ऐसे something
has to be there.
Manya will help. My best friend is a writer. So yeah, she is a literature writer.
I think even if you write like not like a huge novel, but something, I think.
New business.
Because लिटरेचर,
Yeah.
इंग्लिश लिटरेचर।
मेरे वैसे बिजनेस सुन के कान खड़े हो जाते हैं।
अच्छी बात है, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, एक ही चीज़ पर कभी भी नहीं रहना चाहिए डिपेंडेंट। I love how this conversation has touched upon all like everything.
Yeah.
India, secularism, Papa Pookie,
Papa Buki.
everything. But Naman, thank you for coming here, having this conversation with me,
Pleasure.
enlightening me with how ऐसे भी men होते हैं, and we're not hopeless. Like हम ऐसे hopelessly hope नहीं कर रहे हम. Hope है.
Hope है।
गलत जगह ढूंढ रही हो तुम।
कौन से ऐप पे?
मैं तो आप पे भी नहीं हूँ, तो मैं तो पता नहीं कहाँ गलत ढूंढ रही हूँ।
वो ढूंढ ही नहीं रही है।
But that was Naman Kapoor for you guys. If he is like chalant and chivalrous on screen, he's even more chalant and chivalrous off screen. I have to give it to him. Thank you for being here with me.
Pleasure.
और ऐसे ही आपके favorite creators will be joining me soon on this podcast. So stay tuned.
Yes.